Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to find Play Store account password on your Android mobile. So how can I find? So keep watching this video until the end. So first of all, guys, open Play Store on your Android and click on profile icon top right corner. Here is click on Google account and here's the interface. Simply slide here and click on security and simply scroll down until the end. You will see the option password manager. Here is tap on manager password. Here's all the set passwords showing here. So scroll down, click on Google account. So guys, basically the Google account is your Play Store account. Here's my all Google account password showing here. So when you click on this eye icon, your account password showing. So guys, basically Google account is your Google Play Store account. So guys, if this password not showing, so simply switch the Google account from here, because guys it's possible your Google account password will be saved in your another account. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.